So we're at Long Beach right now, and we're fixing to go onto the beach. Ooh, look at that. Bunches of beaches. It's about almost 5 o'clock. We've spent half the day waiting in line at Dairy Queen.
Yeah.
But it was well worth it. Dairy Queen was awesome. So here's the beach. Hey everybody, it is day 2 of this excursion.
Yes.
We are in Long Beach still. We actually went home and came back this morning. It's a little bit overcast, but it's going to burn off. We came later yesterday, so the marine layer kind of burned off a bit. But I could see blue skies and partly cloudy, and that's a good sign. So we're just going to check out this over here. Max is on his leash. Got the short one today, like we had yesterday. Hey Max, shake your head. Your ears are all floppy. Love the grass out here by the beach. So pretty. Got the restrooms over there. Lots of little hotels. Little condos up here for people to rent. That's pretty cool. Fishy, fishy, fishies. Of course, I got my shoes on. Dion's barefoot. Come on, Dad, let's go fishing. It's wrapped all around you. He gets so excited to go out to see fish. Hey, Dion, over there. Get the fish, Max. Get the fish. Get in there, get in the water. You don't want to go swimming? Yay, Baxter, go swimming! Whoop. No, don't get on me. Turn your back on the waves, Max. They'll get you every time. Get them. Get those waves. Not me. No, not me. Get the waves. Go get the fishies. Go get the fish. Let's go get the fish. Come on, he says, come on in with us.
Ready to go home? You want to go fish?
Let's go fish. He said, no, I really want to go fish with my daddy. Okay, so we're gonna wrap it up here. It's been a lovely day, and we're gonna turn around because the sun's probably in your eyes now. I got shoes on. That wouldn't have been good thing we turned around when we did. Mr. Waves came in and almost got us, Max. Okay, way up here, we should be safe for a minute. All right, let's turn around. So, we want to thank you for watching our Misfits Adventures today. Yeah, we came back here. Actually, this is the third time Dione is wearing this thing today. She wears something different the other time and the other time. So one video is going to show us in 3 different outfits. I'm always wearing white shirts, but I got my hat on today. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching us. Come back anytime. We're going to have another video out in another week or so. Or a couple days. I think it's gonna be a couple days. I think I got another one in mind. And then yeah, you can write us at MSFITZ'S adventures@gmail.com. Yeah, Max, you don't have an email address. He said, Max is telling us to hurry up and wrap it up. He's hungry. It's time to go. His bed is waiting. All right,
let's go.
Okay. Anyways, guys, I just want to say thank you very much for watching our Misfits Adventures. Come back and see us anytime. Like I said, you could write us at msfitzsadventures@gmail.com, or you can get on Facebook and find us on Facebook at Misfits Adventures, and also Instagram now. You can get us on Instagram. And then scroll down to the bottom and you can actually type something down at the bottom and of this, yeah, of your screen. Yeah, just go down to the bottom and then say, hello, Mike, hi, Dione, how you guys doing? How do you like it where you're living now? So yeah, give us a chat and we'll chat back. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. The dog is leaving. He wants to go home now. He's like, I'm tired. I've been running all day.